What's going on, guys? I'm out here in the shop tonight. It is June 5th. We originally had a track day scheduled for June 6th, but it was canceled about 3 weeks ago. And a bunch of friends and I were already off. So what we decided to do, we're gonna get everyone together. We're gonna have a small cruise. That way we can take some pictures, get some video, and I'm gonna record it. I don't go out to a lot of meets or cruises, and this one's should be pretty fun because it's a lot of my close friends and guys that I consider friends if we were never into cars. So I'm out here the night before. Manny is on his way over here. He's gonna drive Route 49 tomorrow. And I'm of course gonna take my Y49 for this cruise. So we're just gonna get these two prepared a little bit, change oil on both. This one's been about a year and 1,500 miles. The Y49 has been about 3 years and about 600 miles, maybe 500. Definitely needed for both. I figured it's the perfect opportunity to change both. Then we'll probably wash this one. This one needs it. It's been at the track, I think the last 3 events, and it's a little dusty, a little dirty. I like to wash them every 6 to 8 months anyway, so we're gonna wash this one also. And then I wanna share some wheels I'm gonna put on the Y49 with you right now as well. And here's those wheels that I am throwing onto the CRX today. Put some fresh Nitto Neogens, my favorite. 205 50s, and these are a 15x7 plus 35 TE37 wheel. I've had these for about a year and a half. Picked them up from the same friend who actually helped me find Jackson. I've had them in my garage. I just haven't had the chance or opportunity to throw them on when I wanted to, but I think it's a perfect opportunity now since we're gonna take them out tomorrow and have a little bit of fun. What's up, dude? Not much.
Taking the art?
Huh?
Taking the art?
I'm gonna take the CRX.
Hell yeah.
Just because we have like so many CRXs going on, I gotta take the CRX, dude.
Hell yeah.
I just put clears.
Would you want 90 minutes? You want stuff?
Here's a look at the TEs on the front of the Y49. I dig it. I love this color. It was a fantastic looking color, that like a charcoal / gunmetal. I think it looks really nice on the car. And I like the darker colors on the yellow. I think it has a nice contrast. The NK wheels look super sharp though too. These are just gonna set aside for a little while. I wanna clean the barrels as they've gotten pretty dirty. Just need a little bit of cleaning up, and there's a couple of little chips here and there that maybe I'll address. I don't know if you guys had seen before. These are actually a spray painted wheel, but they came out really, really nice when I did it and attempted it. So that's something I want to do with the RPO ones on Jackson as well. And that'll be it for tonight, guys. We finished off washing Route 49. We also dusted off the Y49. I'm excited to hang out tomorrow. Should be fun. Might be only like 5 to 10 of us, but some of my close friends. Regardless, I'm going to share that with you, and we will see you in the morning.
No, you got kind of fast, dude.
Yeah.
It's about a week. My wife is not the wiser. I was like, yes.
You tricked her?
Yeah.
That's really funny.
I'm going to warranty it out. Well, since they're in the garage, I did the rears
Okay.
on them, so I might just you can have those.
The rotors?
Yeah, the rotors. And
Okay.
The caliper setup.
I'll be down. This is the homie Alex's 89 HF. This is a B18 VTEC. This is the guy that actually polished and detailed my 49. That's what he does professionally. But this is his little toy. Freaking looks fantastic. He's gonna start bringing it out to the track with us. He's done a handful of mods. Definitely got to get some seat time now, which is gonna be the best part of it. But this thing it's super solid, fun to drive. He let me drive it when I had my car over there, and it's a really, really nice setup, everything he's got going on with it. He recently added the PCI wing, which is kind of cool. You can see it next to Route 49's wing now, the way they look on the CRXs. That's kind of what I was going for with that wing. But I love this car. This car is so freaking cool. All the mods he's done and the way he set it up. Glad he was able to join us today. He'll be hanging out for a little bit. I think he has cut out a little early, but glad I was able to get a little bit of footage of it. Of course, Jaime rolled up, made it out here still. You guys saw how he lowered his car in video not too long ago. And it's looking super sharp at the height he picked, especially for the style he's going for. Just a super clean, kind of elegant look with a nice drop to it. So, waiting for a couple more friends to show up. We'll head out, go hit up a couple spots, get some cool pictures in there. Digging the way the TEs look on the CRX. It looks pretty clean. Might have to mess with the suspension a little bit. I think it might be a little too high in the front. I've never had it aligned though, so that's something I want to do as well, and hopefully I'll get there shortly. I want to do the rear disc brakes on it. What's up, dog? What's up? This is Andrew's DX, recently just picked up. He's a friend of mine that used to have a B16 91 SI Shin Green that he sold, and he'd kind of been out of an EF for a while, but he recently just picked this up and he has a lot of plans to go back to a B swap and just get it looking a lot nicer than it was before. And he has seats that are really similar to mine. We think these are the Canadian Special Edition. They have that seat release for the back seat. Has that different pattern than what mine has. Mine, I believe, are the EF7, but also has that CRX patch on the top of the seat. Really cool looking seat too.
Let's talk about the 3 years ago when I just started building that thing. So it was phone stock 3 years ago. And that was like white. It had like fucking everything inside and it was blue. The dash is actually OEM from it, but I actually got it in green. No, blue. This is an HF? Yes. This decked out. Dude, that's nice. All of them are gone? What is it?
It's B20 bottom, B-star head. Built?
It's kind of
Fully built. It's fully built.
It doesn't stop? No. It's like John was the only one who was like, oh, it's early, man. He was like, here's the hood right there. I was like, what the fuck? It was all cracked too, and I was like, oh, I gotta remove it. But then Mikey built. Right?
You don't have the 2 breathers from the back of the block?
Yeah, that one's the catch can, the one in the back.
So another homie's 88 sedan. He's working on it. It's still a D15. He used to have a B16 90 or 91 that put some Coney ground controls on. So now he ended up giving that to his brother. He's been slowly putting this together. Got all his front suspension finally knocked out and taken care of. And it's kind of cool. He tracks it still. There's a couple videos I have. If you watch, you'll see him on track with me. And just kind of working on it, trying to get it to a point where he can take it out there and not have to worry about anything with it in terms of suspension and engine wise. I'm not sure what he's going to do with his engine setup, but he'll probably go either B series or maybe at least multi-point in the future.
Tinted windows or no tinted windows, John?
I prefer no tinted windows.
Tint, huh?
Yeah. You know, tin looks cool though. It's all, especially where we live, man. It's so freaking hot.
Yeah. Save your interior a little bit.
I see.
That's the first I
Later.
Just leave it for now, and then.
Yeah, I'm just gonna apply water. But it was looking from that.
Gabe showed up in his EM1. You guys had seen it in the past before. He had sold it, bought it back about a year and a half later. Now he's working on it, put an intake manifold on it, put that AEM intake Skunk 2 manifold, and just kind of do little mods here and there. He wants to keep it clean, but also add a little bit of power. Just keep it a little bit more sportier.
Yeah. I just.
And that'll be it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the content. I just kind of wanted to share what we were up to since we don't have any track footage. And it's always fun getting some of the friends together, and it's really, really nice to be able to catch up with them. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of their cars. We know we're not looking at some crazy builds here, but I just like to share what's going on in my corner of the world, and I appreciate you guys for following along and even enjoying the content. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments. Then I'll go ahead and record any other times that we get together, just kind of hang out, see who shows up, and maybe we can see if there's been any other mods to some of their cars along the way. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks for following along. Take care.